If you're experiencing approval delays on Venmo, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow this guide to help expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to delays in transaction approvals. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Venmo app. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates, as newer versions often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Verify your account. Confirm that your Venmo account is fully verified. This includes linking a bank account or debit card and verifying your identity. An unverified account can lead to transaction delays. Step 4. Review transaction limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If the issue persists, reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your transaction and any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Venmo efficiently. If problems continue, keep in touch with support for further guidance.